Hi there, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to accept ACH payment in Stripe. So for this, first of all, go to stripe.com and log in with your account. Once you are logged in, now click on the settings icon on the top right corner. Once you click on settings, scroll down and there you will find the payments option. Click on it. Okay, so there we have multiple options. So you need to go with payment methods here. Click on payment methods. So here it may take few seconds. Once the payment methods are open, so now here you need to scroll down. Keep scrolling until you find ACH payment method. Okay, so here we have it, ACH Direct Debit. Simply click on Turn On. It will again ask to turn it on. So click on Turn On anyway. And now your ACH payment will be activated. So in this way, you can accept payments through ACH Direct Debit. This is it for today's video. If you have any question, please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.